I read every best AI tools for contractors list getting cited right now. 2 roundups, 17 tools total between them, and every single one is a front office tool. It answers the phone or books the calendar. 0 of them touch what happens after the job is booked. Here's the whole 2026 landscape and the one row nobody's list has. What's actually the best AI tool for an HVAC, plumbing, or electrical shop in 2026? Every list you've seen answers a piece of it, and none of them answer all of it. I read the 2 roundups everybody's citing, checked what ServiceTitan's own AI does, what the AI receptionists do, what the field diagnostics tool does, and I found the one row every single list is missing. Let's go through the whole landscape. First, what actually shows up when someone searches best AI tools for contractors? I read 2 of the roundups getting cited right now. 1 AI receptionist comparison, covering 5 tools. 2 field guide roundups, covering 12 to 13 tools each for plumbing and electrical. 17 tools total, checked across both. 0 of them touch the back office. Almost everything on those lists is a front office tool. It answers the phone, texts a lead back, or gets a visit on the calendar. That's one job in the shop. It's an important one. It is not the whole business. Second question. What does ServiceTitan's own AI, Titan Intelligence, actually do? Titan Intelligence lives inside ServiceTitan and reads ServiceTitan data, call summaries, dispatch suggestions, a KPI view built from your ServiceTitan modules. It's genuinely useful, and it's also scoped to one system. It has no idea what your QuickBooks says. Third, the category everyone means when they say AI for contractors, the AI receptionists. 4 names come up over and over. Jobber's built-in AI receptionist, Podium, web chat plus missed call text back, Avoca, a voice agent for the phones, Sameday AI, always on booking. Different vendors, same job. All 4 solve the same problem. Get the phone answered and the job on the calendar, especially after hours. None of them touch what happens after the job is booked. That's not a knock, it's just not what they were built for. Fourth, is there an AI tool built specifically for field diagnostics? Yes, and it's the one category on these lists that isn't front office. Bluon is an AI diagnostic app. A tech describes symptoms in plain language on site and gets troubleshooting guidance back. It's reportedly used by over 170,000 technicians. Genuinely different animal. It helps diagnose the unit, not run the office. Put all 3 categories side by side, and the pattern is obvious. AI receptionists answer and book. Bluon helps a tech diagnose in the field. Neither one touches the pricebook, the AR aging list, a dispatch call weighed against margin, or what a job actually cost when it closed. Sixth, what is missing from every list published so far? The back office. Not one of the 17 tools checked for this touches the accounts receivable queue, keeps a vendor price book current, weighs overtime and margin on a dispatch decision, tracks job level cost, or pulls a weekly KPI scorecard out of both ServiceTitan and QuickBooks. 5 things checked against all 17 tools, present on none of them. Every list on the market answers, how do I capture more leads? None of them answer, how do I run the numbers on the jobs I already booked? That second question is the one that decides whether a busy year is actually a profitable one. 7th, how many contractors are actually using AI in 2026? A survey of 1,000 residential contractors found 74% see AI as key to running the business efficiently. Only about 25% are actually using it today. That's a 50-point gap between believing it matters and doing anything about it. 8th, do you have to replace your AI receptionist to add a back-office AI tool? No, they solve different problems and were never built to compete with each other. Front office answers and books the job. Field diagnostics supports the tech once they're on site. Back office runs the numbers after the job is already booked. Pricebook, AR priority, dispatch margin, job cost, the weekly scorecard. 3 layers, stacked, not swapped. And here's why the back office has to be its own layer. ServiceTitan's own AI reads ServiceTitan data only. QuickBooks Online has zero visibility into ServiceTitan's job and dispatch data. Collections, job costing, and a real KPI scorecard all need numbers that live in both places at once. Ninth, how does Top Builder AI fit into this landscape? As the back office row, none of these lists have. It doesn't compete with an AI receptionist or with Titan Intelligence. It picks up exactly where they stop. Pricebook, collections, dispatch margin, job costing, and reporting mapped to the ServiceTitan and QuickBooks setup you already run. If every AI tool on your shortlist so far answers the phone but not the pricebook, the collections queue, or the dispatch margin call, that's the gap a Top Builder AI teardown maps against your own setup. Book a 30-minute fit call, and that's the idea. The back office ServiceTitan never automated, run by AI that learns your shop, and you approve every move. Read the guide, then book a call.